Hi Ladybugs, and welcome back to my channel, and I'm very excited to give you a flip through of my latest Peter Rabbit journal. So the cover has got acetate, so you can just take it to the side. This is wrapping paper used for flowers, and it's just too gorgeous. I actually had to use my fabric scissors to cut it, not my paper scissors. So I've stuck all this on here. I've done a bit of mixed media using this Stamperia cream. I love this cream paste, by the way, as texture paste. And then I just used a few green and this pink just to give it a bit of color. And all these here are stickers, and this here is stitched. I'm not gonna talk all the way through. And this is gorgeous lace from Portugal. This is the back of the journal. I've got my little ladybug card there. And the lace and the paper. That is the top. It's popping. There is more ephemera to go with it, which will be sent with this. Just a few more pieces, you know. And this is the side. There's a little tag there, and that's the closure. So it's over 80 pages, and it is made with an envelope. I must show you guys. I must do a tutorial. Let me know in the comments below if you want a tutorial on how I use them in different ways, envelopes to make the covers. So this is all just to put fabric on here. I love anything pink striped or polka dots. So I've used, again, various kits in this, but I am going to be making my own kit. I'll show you some of the pages from my own kit. So anyway, we have this here, and we have a tag there, and just torn up. So there's loads and loads of writing space in here. We have another little Peter Rabbit here, a double pocket. Let's just put that in, some washi tape there, and a nice big tag here. And then we have this part. There's Jemima Puddle Duck. What a lovely name. Just again, journal cards to write on here. I also did stenciling there and some stickers on there. That opens up. Let me just pull this. So photographs can be put here. A photograph can be slipped in here and then glued down. Then we have this little guy. Very cute, I thought. Love note. And that just opens out. So a cropped photo can be put in there, or just writing. And more. This will be part of my kit, by the way. All the pink pages you see on here are going to be part of my Peter Rabbit kit. That I will let you guys know when it's up. I thought writing could go here, or photograph, you know, whatever. See this one? Let's bring it up a little bit. Really like the pink papers. And I use stickers in here. You know, I like to use stickers on some of the pages. So this will be part of my kit. This is a part of my Swans and Roses kit, but I just thought it was beautiful to go here. And a little pocket with a tag, and this guy on top, who will also be part of my kit. And this is a gorgeous little tag. Don't you like that paper? I like it. And this also serves to be a tuck spot, of course. There we go. More paper to write on. And this is a simple little journal card. This is part of my kit as well, by the way. You'll see it when you see it, you know. Hopefully, maybe next week. And just little journal cards and tags. This is empty, so something can go in there. Then we have this little folder made with washi tape, by the way, and stickers. And this just opens here. Again, photographs, writing, totally up to the person. That opens there. Little pocket here, my kit. It's not quite ready yet, that's why I haven't posted it. Yeah, like so. Just another little tuck spot. Lots of things can be taken out, and the new owner can add her own stuff and photographs, etc. into there. I love this page. This is one of my favorite pages. I am talking all the way through, but I'm not lingering, you know. So it's one of those little pads to write on. Just random paper. This is paper from my Tall Skinny journal. And we have that embossed. We have this, which I thought a photograph could go on the back. Or just decoration, you know. And this is an acetate pocket that is embossed. You probably can't see it, with a sticker there. And we have this gorgeous, this is a hidden paper clip. I nearly took this off because it made it quite bulky, you know, but I left it. Didn't want to take it off. I think these are Amity Bloom tags, I'm not sure. Paper from my other kit. Okay, and this is just a little booklet. And that goes there. And I've also added quite a few of these little bunnies that can be used, you know, anywhere in the journal. Here's a gorgeous tag. And this is just paper, extra paper to write on. So that I just clipped it on here. Let me quickly put it back. So this goes like so. Oh my gosh, I'm fussing now. There we go. Done. And there's a little journal card. Here's another one of those floating tags. This says us, and it's got made from tracing paper or vellum, and a little bit of decoration so it can be written on. And then in the centers I added little butterflies on here. This was part of my kit, by the way. This Peter Rabbit, isn't he beautiful? And some more. This is part of my kit, but anyway, I will show you. So that opens there for writing, and you can still slip something inside there, you know. There's stickers here. There's the mouse that goes with Peter Rabbit. I can't remember his name now. So this opens up, and we have two pockets here, and a big postcard there, and some washi tape, and a butterfly, and a little bit of stenciling goes there. So I won't do that up now. And I just put stickers. Cuteness. Different paper, also from my other kit, my Molly's Tall Skinny Journal kit. And more stickers, and this again is an acetate pocket. This one is not embossed, but it's just got stickers and family. This card comes out. Can you see the embossed? Here we go. Which again I used inks to bring out the embossing. This opens, and we just have a part of my kit again. And part of my kit. There we go. This is also mine. And I love this. This is also an acetate pocket with another tag with an acetate. It says thinking of you, and a little journal card. And this goes inside. My acetate is not sticking nicely to this pocket, so I've glued it so many times it just doesn't want to know. So be careful of that. This is my kit. And I left a big spine there, room for more. This is a pocket made from a magazine page, gorgeous, and some more cutouts of Peter Rabbit and Jemima Puddle Duck. More of that paper. There's two papers here for writing on. This is a little tag, a double tag with a charm. And then we have this. Two more tags in here, and a little envelope. There's nothing in it, and we have a place here for something. So that just goes like that. This is also a lovely page. Another big acetate pocket. Collaging. Okay, I'll take this out a little bit. Can you see that again? All right, let me take it out because it's a very pretty tag. So lots of writing can go in here. And that opens out. More photographs. Small photographs can be put there. This is a little tag in here. And this is a little booklet for writing. And then we just have two papers. Oh, this is, I'll put this here as well. Another one of those postcards. And that goes in there. Be nice. Yeah, that's fine. And that opens there. Again, we have two pockets here. This is all from my kit. He's just, I love Peter Rabbit, guys. Some more there. And gorgeous little tag. Here we have another pocket, which I put this in here. And so a photograph, this can be taken out because it's sticky. So all the person has to do is slide your photograph, cut it to size, slide it in, and then press that down to stick it. Which is, I put this there so it doesn't stick there, you know. Bit of a collage there. And Edith Holden page. And this, as usual, has my, because you know I love doing that. Isn't that nice? There we go, stickers. This is also gorgeous here. Pocket on this side. Just a small place to put a photograph. Another big floating tag with the vellum. And I collaged this one. And if you can see, there's a bit of stenciling here. And this is actually an envelope. So that comes out. It's just a writing for paper to write on. And here's another place for a photograph, and probably a cropped photograph. I don't even know the sizes. This is your typical A4 journal. So this pocket has just got some stuff in here as well. Wanted lots of the ladybug. Ladybug C wanted a lot of writing space. Here we go. And mostly I used the thicker paper, what is it, 160 GSM, rather than the copy paper. And then I did use some copy paper as well, because, you know, it just made that thicker paper, obviously made the journal very thick as well. Another little pocket. Here's a bookmark, a shaker bookmark. He's part of my kit as well, isn't he gorgeous? All part of my kit. This one also is a page, so we have that. This here, another little tag from the kit, and just all sorts of bits and pieces in here to write on. All this is collaged. Here we have a nice big one. He will be part of my tags as well, without the inner shell. This is an envelope. I must make some of these with you guys. I must make a note of it. You know, I forget the stuff. So you can put stuff in there. It is empty. And then, of course, you've got a little pocket just there. And it's got all these gorgeous ruffles on it. Beautiful sticker here. Yeah, just pages. Pages, pages, pages. Here's, I did this on TikTok, I think, with mixed media, stickers, beads, on a tag, and that just clips on here. And I love this one. I also did this on TikTok. I must do it on here as well. Unless I already did it on here, I must check. Two little collage tags with some stickers on them, and then we have the bigger tag right here with the mouse from Peter Rabbit. So this one we just need to help it in. And so we have there we go, all nicely collaged there. Look at this. Love it, love it, love it. And that is the back. And there we go. So I hope you enjoyed that flip through. And like I say, I'll let you see my kit as soon as it's ready, maybe even next week. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Love you guys. Thank you very much to all my new supporters. I'm so encouraged by all those of you, all 40 odd of you that have joined me lately. I'm just so chuffed. Thank you so much. And don't forget to like, and I will see you again soon. Ciao now. Bye bye.